The Alltech 37 Plus program uses one of the most advanced methods available for analysing mycotoxins. The process starts with a sample being carefully collected from the farm and then sent to the laboratory. On receipt of the sample, our analytical team goes to work. All samples are logged in for internal record keeping. Some samples, such as grasses and total mixed rations, must be freeze-dried for about 48 hours before proceeding. All dry samples are ground into a fine matter, allowing for homogenization. The samples are then subsampled. From here, the team weighs out the feed sample in triplicates and archives the remaining feed. Small amounts of the samples are used to test the moisture content. Now, the samples are ready for their overnight extraction. The team adds an extraction buffer along with internal standards. The samples are covered and placed on the rotator for extraction. The next morning, the liquid is removed and transferred to a microcentrifuge tube. The tubes are placed in a centrifuge in order to spin down and eliminate the particulate matter. Next, the liquid is transferred to a glass LC vial and blown down via nitrogen. Once the vial is dry, the sample is reconstituted with a loading buffer. Finally, the sample is inserted into the LC-MS-MS and is queued for analysing. The samples are injected against a calibration curve used to quantify the amount of the mycotoxins. The data is reviewed and a report is generated for the client. This report then forms the basis of a customised recommendation from the Alltech mycotoxin management team, who can help safeguard the health of animals, the quality of their feed, and the security of our food supply. For further information on the Alltech mycotoxin management programme, please visit www.nomycotoxins.com.